Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I recorded anything for my YouTube channel specifically, so I kind of feel bad about it. But guys, if you have not been following me on my Instagram account or on my Facebook account, then maybe you could be thinking that way because I'm not as seasonal on those accounts as I am on my YouTube channel. And to be honest, I've not been seasonal at all. I mean, it's a change of scenery over here. We are in California at the moment, and from what I remember last, I recorded my YouTube channel in my home in Bangalore in India. Right now I'm in California. We moved to California in the month of April, and if you guys have not been following me on my other accounts, then you don't know that, and this is completely a new place for you or new settings. So here's a new development. I have a website under the name of or under the domain name of bloomwithshivi.com. I will be linking it down below so you guys can come over there, check it out, and maybe share your thoughts over there. The reason I created this website is because I have all these accounts where I've been creating. I mean, it's very important for you guys to know that I'm now taking this whole job of content creator more seriously than ever. I do want to hire some teammates. There's so much that goes behind in the creation world, and while it seems like it is easy, it is not. I do want to hire people, and if you guys want to know more about it and you want to be a part of it, can go and check out my website bloomwithshivi.com. There are more things. You do want to know what you will be putting your hands into. It's very important for you to know, so maybe you guys can check out the website and maybe we can connect over there for now. And I just want to tell you guys that I'm so excited, and I do want to take up this website to different levels because I've been taking the whole job or the whole idea of content creation more seriously, but it is just one woman army over here, and it is not easy. Have more teammates so that we can work along on different ideas, some different amazing ideas which can be helpful to the society, to the people, to everybody, and to us as an individual. It will help us to grow. So that's the whole thought behind this website, and also that I wanted to correlate. I just wanted to put anchor down all the work which I have been doing over these years to one single spot, and that is why I made my website. Now let's come to the topic of this video, which is stretching. But before I talk about stretching, I do want you guys to know this thing, that fitness is a very dear topic to me. It's so dear that it's as dear as parenting is. You have seen that my YouTube channel has been talking about parenting a lot. I've been discussing everything about parenting so far, but I believe the way I'm able to do it better and I'm able to better myself up in everything, including parenting, is because of my fitness journey. How my fitness routine have been over the years, over the past few years. I can't talk about fitness in this particular YouTube video because it's going to keep going on like crazy. Fitness is not the kind of thing fitness is not something which can be covered in one particular video. I mean, especially if it's coming from me, I won't be able to cover it up, so I won't even try. I will specifically talk about this particular topic, which is stretching, and I will try to keep it as short as possible so that you guys will understand it better, and you will want to know more about fitness from me, specifically from me. I know it's something which especially if you are new to this particular channel, you will feel this way. Why should we be hearing from this particular woman? I mean, I do understand your point. It just cannot happen right away. So maybe you want to check out my website. You will get to know me better, or you can ask me in the comment section. I won't mind answering the questions, and that's what you should guys be doing. You should leave more comments so that you get to know me better. Okay, so that is one thing. Now let's talk about a specific topic in fitness, which is what I wanted to create this YouTube video about, which is stretching in general. So I'm going to take this particular topic in the form of question answers. I think I will be able to cover it more strategically and in a much better way. So that is how we're going to have this particular video, and I hope you guys like it. With question number 1. So question number 1 is how my fitness journey started. I think a few years back, I think I used to answer this question all the way wrong. I used to think my fitness journey actually started in the year 2008 when I started, strategically going to a gym kind of place and working on my goals, my fitness goals. But to be honest, it started long way back. I mean, it started as a kid, and I believe I only started understanding it now, that as a kid, I actually used to see my parents being physically active. The way they were active, I mean, it's amazing. I used to be always amazed subconsciously. I could never understand. Like my father, who was from a farming background, he moved to the city to achieve his different goals in life. But even when he was living in city, I could see my father lifting up weights as heavy as anything between 20 kgs to 40 kgs on his shoulders and doing it like it was a child's play. Like that's how my father was, you know. So I'm actually raised in that kind of environment where my father was doing this, and my mother on the other side was never having a resting day. She was she was working around the clock. She had a job and she would still cook us meal every single day, clean the house like a 3-level house or a 3-storied house at one point, and do it all by herself. So I'm kind of raised in that kind of environment. So there was no way it was possible to ignore that. I used to watch them very carefully, observe them, and understand it, you know, like why it is so important to be able to finish those daily tasks in a day, then just like go in the field and learn fitness in the form of a sports, you know. Like I don't think though I know like how your fitness journey is, especially when you are learning fitness in the form of a sport or learning a sport. I mean, it's completely different than taking fitness as your way to be able to achieve your goals in life, all kind of goals, your physical goals, your mental goals, your emotional goals. And that is what your fitness that is where your fitness helps, you know. It helps you to have this balanced life, you know, a life where you are able to do things, you are able to achieve your task in a much better way than you will otherwise. So that's how my fitness journey started. It started as a kid, and from there on, I think life has seen many changes. Today I'm a woman who has 2 kids, and my elder one is about to turn 5, and I'm still physically active. When I say physically active, I think I have the same level of strength, or maybe even more. To be honest, maybe I will be having more strength than ever, and I feel like strength training is most important. I will talk about that some other day, because today I want to strictly keep it on the topic of stretching. But the first question was how my fitness journey started, and I believe I have answered the question to you. Why stretching? I know, like people think stretching in a totally different way, you know. Stretching for them is stretching, you know, like stretching should come after some kind of fitness routine, or why stretching at all? Stretching is most important. Like it's most important because it helps your muscles, and there is no way of answering this thing than saying that it helps your muscles. We have 600 muscles in our body, and if our muscle stops working in the way they should, we are nothing. We are absolutely flat on the ground. We won't be able to do anything at all. That's why it's very important that you include stretching into your fitness routine. Stretching is as important as any kind of fitness routine, you know. Or even if you don't have a fitness routine, I mean, I will be wrong to say that it is important as much as your fitness routine. Stretching is important no matter what kind of fitness routine you have, or even if you don't have a fitness routine, even if you have a life where you're sitting most of the time on a desk or on your chair, then it is more important than ever, you know. Because when you do stretch, you know, when you have a job, when you're sitting for long hours, you need stretching for your lower body, you need stretching for your spine. That's extremely important, you know. So while I'm telling you why stretching is important, I'm just starting to know this thing. Like, we have a tendency to kind of scooch down or just like bend down when we're working on our computers. So if you are somebody who has a life like that, then you need stretching. If you are somebody who is all the time standing and working in your kitchen, you know, if you have a life where you are constantly running from one place to another, you need stretching. If you have a life where you are working for most part of the day in the kitchen, you need stretching. Like, stretching is extremely important because it works straight on your muscle groups, you know, a certain muscle group. So depending upon what kind of stretching you're doing in a day, it will act on that muscle group. And muscle strength is extremely important. Muscle flexibility is extremely important, because unless you work on your muscle groups, which helps you to pump blood to different organs in your body, which helps you to lift heavy weight, unless or you work on these muscle groups or these specific muscles which help you achieve these specific tasks in a day, the daily task, you will completely stop actually working on these tasks, you know. That's why it is very important that you do one or the other kind of stretching. I don't think I can say enough for stretching. So that's that's the little background I wanted to give you on why stretch. Question number 3 is, how many types of stretching are there? Okay, how many types? There are no specific types of stretching. It completely depends on what muscles or muscle groups you are working. So based on that, it is one specific kind of stretching, or it's a specific type of stretching. So I want to remind you guys that whatever I'm answering over here is from my own understanding, from my own perspective, which I have developed, and it's kind of evolved over the years for me. I have been working out on my body in terms of different kind of specific workout routines, from yoga to Pilates to strength training, and I've been mostly doing it on my own, and I have been understanding my body. So I know, so when I'm answering to these questions, or when I'm answering them for you, this is sort of like a learning for me. I have learned these things over a period of time, and that's how I'm able to answer them this way, because this has been like a learning for me as well. So now coming back to the question, which is how many different kinds of stretching are there? I think I've answered the question for you, that the kind of stretching that you're doing for a particular muscle or a muscle group will define the stretching for you. There is no specific type. It's just based on what kind of stretching you're doing. So for example, like the idea behind this particular YouTube video has been my latest Instagram reel, where I have shared. So Instagram reels are just short videos which share a particular idea. So I shared this particular reel where I have created this particular reel where I am sharing with you guys the stretching routine which I did after a leg day in the gym. So this was the day when I was specifically focusing on my larger muscle groups, which starts from your waist and it goes down to your calves. So that particular day in the gym was all about working on my legs. So my stretching routine was primarily focused on my larger muscle groups and overall stretching, complete stretching, which I always do. No matter what, I always twist around my stretching routine in such a way that I'm able to cover up my entire body. So it starts with a specific muscle group and then it gets extended to the entire body, and that's the best thing you can do to yourself. It's to actually stretch your entire body. This is very important. So guys, these were the 3 important questions about stretching which I wanted to cover in this video. I don't want this video to become too long, so I wanted to cover it in the form of question answers, and I think I did answer them all. So if you have any more questions related to stretching, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to watch this particular Instagram reel where I am sharing the actual stretching routine with you, because I know talking doesn't help. You have to be able to visualize things and you have to be able to see the things. So the best thing would be to go to my Instagram account and watch this specific reel. It's a short reel, it's just a 47-second video. It won't take much time. So go and watch that reel where I have shared this particular stretching routine with you, which is focused on my larger muscle groups and overall body stretching. So if you did like this particular video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Come back to my YouTube channel, because I will be covering fitness as a topic in a more advanced way, because this is a very dear topic of mine. I wanted to do it for the longest time, and I wanted to do it the right way. And yeah, I mean, that's all for today. I hope you guys did like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's such is the case, because otherwise my content doesn't reach more audience. That's the whole perspective of good videos. Every day I'm sitting down in my whole home and I'm just thinking, like, there are people who does create good content in the world, and it's just that they don't have enough reach. There's a reason for it. You guys can make it possible. If you want good content to reach out more houses, more people, because you want to spread the right thing, the right knowledge across, the only way to do it is to share the good content whenever you come across it. So if such is the case, don't forget to share this particular video. I will see you guys around, and go check my website bloomwithshivi.com. I will be linking it somewhere here or somewhere. That completely depends upon how I'm able to edit this video. So I will be sharing so many things there, guys. You will not be disappointed. I wish you a very good day, and I hope to see you back on my channel for more such videos and for more. So see you guys around. I wish you a very good day. Bye.